Hello.
Well, guys, good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog, and we have a special one, guys. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. And on today's video, guys, my mama, she doesn't have clue what's going on, and I just pull up right now, so I'm heading to Border Town. I want to make some shopping for her. So I was making several times, and you know, when God say yes, nobody can say no. And I'm going to support her with cooking oil and rice. Thank you so much, mom, for your support. I really appreciate. And let me, on tomorrow, I want to start to deliver material for my borehole. Man, I'm telling you, it's not a joke. So I want to transport bricks here, cement, steel bar, also sand. I think one pickup for sand, it will finish up, because right now I didn't have sand on the ground. So technically, when I deliver pickup, it can finish up. So guys, right now my sister, she was doing good, and right now she was taking even she can smile. Whoa, whoa, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Yes. Right now, guys, she was okay, and she wanna be back to school next week because she was taking medicine. Wow. And right here, mom.
Where?
So I'm going to surprise you. Where are you heading to?
Chandi. Chani tembe kidogo.
Afika mama nikitenke.
Hey.
Mafuta yako.
Kidogo.
Mchere.
Kidogo.
So I'm going to buy you rice 50 kg and cooking oil. And mom, kwa mtu mwenye amefanya hivyo unaweza semaje?
Endelea kupalikiwa sana sana, saiti sana na sana.
Wow, guys, I'm asking my mama for the somebody who made it possible. What can you tell her? Mama say, mom, continue to be blessed, because wherever you take or you take from, God add double from you. Hey. That's the word from my African mom with kitenke. Hey. Okay, mama, we can walk. As I go and check the cow. Wow, this is what we're calling home, man. That's my mama. Nothing to be hide. Maybe one day when you visit at my village, you've already known my mama. She was a hard-working mom in the village, and me, I recognize her. So I left my bike here. Mama, today it's gonna start raining soon. Yes, because I want to rush in Tanzania, buying rice. Now you eat. Yes. And then
Thank you.
Wow. Guy, mom, I can't wait to see your dream house coming in good shape. So right now we're remaining with 1,300 blocks, because on other side there's conflict. Mama, to be honest, matafari shida matafari ni ipi? Mbona matafari hatukuchoma, shida ni gani?
Yule mama alitupigia kilele tukaachana naye.
Guys, I'm asking my mama, what's the big problem between I personally and the guy who make for me bricks? My mama told me her mom just make chaos all over the village, and then we start. Tuliwaambia tufanyie nini? Next thing watufanyia nini? Kama matafari ulikataa.
Watatutishia pesa.
Okay. Rudisha pesa is to return back money. So me, no idea on this. I told the guy, as your mama tried to bring conflict and chaos around the village, it's not far away, guys. It's just over there. And then even right now, I didn't show you more how my project was going, and most of my subscribers ask me, hello baby, what's up? What about your project? Me, as hello baby, when we make a deal between me and you, I'm a client, and then we make a deal, we negotiate. So her mama tried to embarrassing me, chaos everywhere, start naming me a bad name. So I said, tell your son to return me money, and then I left for you bricks. So right now, guys, I'm just working on blocks, to be honest. Right now, as I speak here, we have 700 blocks. And 700 blocks, that's cost 53,000 Kenyan shillings. That's $500. That is it. Wow. We have beautiful cows here. You can say hello. Say hello. Yeah, Mama, I must show people our cows, how it looks like. I want to show people how cows. Oh, guys, we have another one right here. I love this bull cow. Whoa, they are chilling here, you know, right now. Oh, my mama want to tie the small cow. This is the baby calf right here. Yeah, these are real life in our village here. Guys, remember on today's videos, it's a surprise by itself. I can't hide anymore. Nothing to be black. As hello baby. Today is a big surprise, and guys, big shout out to David Jr. Go and subscribe to his channel. I do appreciate for the love and support. And also, guys, keep putting cash on prayers. So that's how it ties, and then it started grazing here. You wait, guys. After a few minutes, you will see. Look, I'm telling you, guys. Oh, tutaya. Kaya kupisuri ndo yake. That's my mama. I'm escorting her. So my mama went to school and give the teacher reports. So my sister will be back on next week Monday. So guys, I will let full story for that vlogs or for my project. You really know what's going on. Wow, there's another beautiful forest inside here. That's how we go. Wow, that's my mama with the kitenge. Or African clothes. Wow. This is an amazing day, amazing job here. So guys, we're fully outside with my mom, and after 2 minutes I just pull up, bring my mom's shopping like crazy. Mama, wherever you are, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. So right now, a day like this, my mama, she doesn't have clothes going on, so me I just pull up, surprise her. Sometimes I'm speechless, man. Don't charge me. Hey, mama. Heading down with my mom right here. Hey. Okay, I'm gonna kuchota maji. I'm asking Mama, or we're heading to the river fetching water. Mama said, no, I'm heading to school right now. So she wants to get a chance for my sister, because my sister, she wanna spend all this week at home because she's under medication, and when she feels better, more enough, so by next week she wanna turn back to school. Well, Kigadi! That's my friend. Mama, that's my friend. We studied together. Tulisoma naye pamoja. Yeah, guys. Tulisoma naye pamoja means we studied together. We studied together. Yeah. I think Mama walk aside because there's a motorbike coming. There's that one there. We studied together, Mama. Be careful. Today, you know, it's a normal day. Wow. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hey, another friends of mine. Let's go. Hey. Hey, Yandim. Mahor. Ontama. Vamos usirikar. Wow, we keep moving on. Wow. Let's go. Amani gota hamanchi tu. Mama, they are speaking. Guys, sorry for that. Mama speak with other people on the other side. She wanna speak Kissy. Actually, my mama, she was a Kissy, so she wanna speak Kissy. She was one tribe with Congrat dad. Amani got a man to tirna go once and could this way. So, mommy, I think I will stand back here. Hey, be careful, mom. Oh, hey, hey. Oh, Skurukia. Okay. I have a cow here. So, Mama, you go to school? But I think I will pass hang I had days. Guys, right now my mama want to go to school, so that way we can know. So let me escort her and then we left her going that way. So the car is grazing right here. But I know my mom be a milk among you. I made it the hub. Okay, guys, we keep going, and that's cassava plantation. See, guys, how my mama smiled a lot. At least on today's videos, I work with my mama a little bit, around 20 minutes. No, 10 minutes. It's enough for me. Look at that. Hey, they're grazing here. Yo. Wow. So, guys, let's see. Mama, you do hurry up. Utoke shuleni haraka sababu ya mvua. As I speak here, I'm going to Tanzania. Right now. Okay, bye. Bye. Yeah, see you later. After I came from Tanzania. That's my mama, in case you don't know her. That's my biological mother. And maybe in case when you pay a visit to my home, you'll meet her. Yeah. Wow. Today, man, it's a calm day. Look. Whoa. Look, another beautiful flowers right here. Hey. For sure. So for now, guys, okay, let me show you once more. When I turn here, let me show you where my mama fetch water. Imagine, guys, over 20 years down here. Since my mama got married, fetch water down here. But right now, by God's grace, we have the tank. Big shout out to mom, wherever you are. You made it possible, mama. Right now, she have a tank, water. And mom, thank you so much. May God bless you. So even as I speak here, at home we have the borehole. Thank you so much, mom, for supporting me on the borehole. And right now, I'm going to work this week on the borehole. So let me show you where my mama fetch water. Hey, look at this log. These trees fall down, man. Look. Let me show you where my mama fetch water. Over 20 years, guys. You can't imagine. From here up to my home, it's a walking distance. Some kilometers from here. Try to imagine by yourself, guys. It's so pain, but when God opened the door, we just blessed. And for me, for sure, my family, they are blessed enough, because when things happen, it's by God's grace. Sani changu kure is. So they're washing clothes here. Say hello, Sam. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
That's my cousin, guys. Right here. They're washing clothes. See right here. Village life. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. Also, that's my cousin. Oh, guys, let me show you where my mama fetch water. I think I'm lagging. That's a ditch right here. This is where my mama fetch water. Now here we have chlorine. When you fetch water from there, you add chlorine. Let me show this. Right now they doesn't put chlorine. You see right here, chlorine dispenser. Right here, down here. But on top there, maybe Swahili. Most of our local people maybe doesn't know how maybe to read and understand precaution of this chlorine dispenser right here. So this dispenser, chlorine, and that liquid form, white one. So this is where my mama fetch water. I'm telling you, this one here. And man, let me tell you one thing. We're so blessed. This river, when it's rain, when it's dry season, the water remain on that level, and it serves all community from my home, village, up to Nyabuhansi. I'm telling you, this river that you see here, I think I can show you where water is flowing from. But you see, guys, from right there on the ground, and it's come here. Look, it's purely clean. Purely clean, guys. Look. Purely clean. Look. Even I can't complain anymore. Wow. So that's banana plantation on the other side. So, and down there that's yams or arrowroots down there. So guys, I'm keep going home. So as I speak right now, I'm heading to Tanzania. Wow. Okay, let's heading this way. Go back walking with my shorts here. With my shorts. Right here. See guys, I'm walking. Hey. When I'm around at home, I wear the shorts. That's my shirt. It's hilly, this place. We're here. But anyway guys, let's go. Wow. Wow. So for my premiere again, you'll get these videos full length. I supposed to go with my mama in the shopping, but she went to school and get some it's a chance for my sister, because right now my sister, she was at home under medication. Wow. Oh, I think, let me pause here, because we have another route going home, other side. This cassava plantation, all of this that you see is cassava plantation. Wow. I don't know even leaves for cassava you can maybe cook and eat, but I know for the Irish potatoes you can cook and eat, for the yams also. But all in well, let's go. Look, this is the kind of roads that we have here. Me, I prefer going that way when I'm going to border town, also in Nyabuhansi, because right now here it's a total mess. Let's see title for today. Maybe a surprise by itself. We shall see how things go. So in case you're new here guys, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, tell your friends. Let's support Hello Baby Official by subscribing, man. So keep moving on. Wow. Well, guys, so right now I'm leaving home, heading to border town right now as I speak. So time is not on my side because I want to meet with my mama right now. Man, this is a huge surprise, I'm telling you. So you wait as you enjoy this video. Hey, today the weather is so conducive, man. Woo. I hope I could get my neighbor who drove me, but I would try my I would try my best, man. I would try. Wow. We left home. Right now heading this way. So I'm outside, guys. Just pull out. Straight up border town, up to border town. Let's go, guys. Wow, soon it's gonna rain right now, so I'm keep rushing to border town right now. Right now no business, guys, I'm telling you, no business. So guys, heading to border town, and then I crossed Tanzania with no passport, with no visa. It's by God's grace, so we just taking me as brotherhood and sisterhood. So right now I speak here, I'm going to Tanzania, purchasing rice for my family. Wow. As you watch this video, guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about having here my baby heading straight. Hey, hey. Wow, wow. Guys, for sure, it's by God's grace, man. Guys, to be honest, I see one of my friend actually came from the same village. Like, oh, let me stand aside. She was coming from right there. See that one? Yeah, what? They had it on boy ahead there, guys. Yeah, you go gamba. You go to those. You don't dare board. Yeah.
I'm controlling.
You're controlling.
I'm controlling from the side.
Me, I'm heading to border town.
Okay, me, I'm heading to home. We shall meet again.
Okay, my brother.
Nice time.
Okay, I'm rushing because of rain. And I go where I meet Cherry. Bata kude. Let's go, guys. Wow. Keep heading straight. So there's a neighbor watching my videos, killing me. That's brother, drive me. my motorbike. And I'm telling you right here, we have the school covered with mabati, but the name Achieva School. We keep going, man. We keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Guys, thank you so much for your full support. I really appreciate. And right now, heading to Border Town. We have the church here. It's under construction. Wow. Yoda. Boyode. Oh guys. Today's a chill day, guys. Not freezing. It's not freezing. Kids are coming from school right here. Let's go. Ahead of me we have a car, a saloon car. Nice one. Oh my god. Right, there's a dump site. We keep going, guys. Nothing to be hide behind. This video is raw and uncut. No editing here. Gonna go straight. So finally, guys, I left the tarmac road. Right, Muram when I use the tarmac. This road is a tarmac road. They were being constructed by the colony, and then right now it connects East Africa, part of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, East Africa. Wow. Another side, that's my Roman Catholic Church over there. Wow. Guys, today no idea on these videos. Please subscribe, share my videos to your family. That's the best way you can support the Hello Baby official. So your son Hello Baby is outside, your brother Hello Baby is outside chasing the dream like crazy. Hey guys, today the weather is so good, man. Look at the side, look at I normally take this view here when I'm going to Border Town. It's very, very nice. Wow. But we keep going. And when I have my bike here, I maneuver around. Guys, soon I want to be having a new GoPro and handle. So when I'm riding, I could maybe fix it here. One camera face on my face, another camera face in front like that way. Woo. That's a shell right there. Hey, look at that. There's some truck parking here and waiting goods from Tanzania also, or maybe takes goods from here to Nairobi. See those trucks? There are many, man. Look at the truck. Oh, fire. This is Border Town right now, guys. As I speak, this Border Town for you. It's well developed, you know. That's all. Keep going. This is Tanzania police station right here. I'm telling you. Whoa! Guys, border town. Oh my god. It's time to rain. There's that cloud right there. Woo! But I'm rushing with time. That's super amazing. Wow. I'm rushing with time, man. Wow. Oh my god. That's Maze Con right there. Children crossing. Oh, 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 oh my god. Let's go. Keep moving on. That's my tattoo. Wow. We have the tank right here. Oh man. Guys, in case you're new here, right now where I am in border town, heading toward Tanzania. Right now. Keep moving. That's a nice supermarket right there. We keep moving, man. Keep moving on. That's us. Whoa, guys. Sorry. More fire. Go. After a few minutes, guys, I want to pause my video because I'm crossing the border. Guys, that's how Tanzania looks like. It's even the vehicle right here. So where I am right now, guys, it's Tanzania. In case you're new here and I don't know how Tanzania looks like, that's how Tanzania looks like. Looks like. Very amazing. Hey. Incredible story. I want to show you Tanzania a little bit on the videos. Wow. That's Zakaria Airbus right now, heading to Dar es Salaam. Oh, we have City lights right there. I'm telling you, man. So me, nothing to be hide behind, and I'm showing how Tanzania looks like. Very amazing. Very amazing. Hey, look, even this. Nowadays the bicycle exists. You can't tell, look. Wow. I want to show you Tanzania a little bit. And then go and pick rice. Well guys, and Tanzania is a well-developed country which colonized by the German. I'm telling you right now, it's a well-developed country, but it's colonized by German, you know. As long as the country is colonized by the Germany, it's speaking Swahili. Swahili. Okay, let's go. So guys, I must Be very, very careful because there's some government places which I don't want to show on TV. Those stuff, you know. We need to slow down. Hey, that's how Tanzania looks like. I'm telling you. Oh. Heading straight. Wow. So guys, let me take a corner. I use the tarmac road, no, the Muram road right now. I use this side. Passing at the back. This is at the back of Tanzania. I'm telling you guys, I take a shortcut. So I'm going to meet in the local market in Tanzania. So that's the reason why I pass on this street here at the back of Tanzania. Guys, right now as I speak, guys, I'm vlogging Tanzania. My good people. But subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe. Oh man. Subscribe to my channel. This is how Tanzania looks. Take a U-turn right here. Wow. Hey, this is a school right here, and man, I love this environment on this side here. I love this environment. That's banana right there. It's crazy. I see my tattoo. Look at that, my tattoo. Woo, overloading. That's how Tanzania looks like. So in case one day you visit Africa, I'm gonna take you around, round. Like right now, I'm using my bike to maneuver and showing you special bed right there. Oh, I'm a pro, guys. So I know so many places. I'm a pro. I'm telling you. Nothing too high. Heading straight. Woo! Another case passing here. So we normally come and buy watermelon here, orange, mango, within here, within right here. I'm telling you. Wow, let's go. Keep moving on. There's a truck right there. Let's maneuver around. No pressure at all. No pressure at all. So I want to do the turn. Keep maneuver around. Whoa. Right now, I'm back where I am. So I'm heading to the store, buying rice. Hey. For sure, guys, it's by God's grace to see amazing day like this, which God have granted us. And I wake up good health, showing you how Tanzania looks like, man. Nothing is possible here. Nothing possible. Nothing possible. They're selling clothes here for the second hand. See Hoka right here. We have another restaurant on the other side. Super amazing. And this is that one there. Woo! We have Serengeti Tower. That tall building. Wow. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Edia! Go! Let me park here. I see Elia, guys. He was the mason building the villa to Ayamara's place. Say hello.
Yeah, tell my brother.
Long time, my brother.
It's a long time.
Long time.
Yes. What's up, guys? It is _ Elia. Right now I'm here at border. So
What are you doing?
I'm sick around that place. So
Take me around.
no, I don't have time to take you around, brother.
Take me around in Tanzania, bro. Why?
You know, you ride your motorbike here.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, so me, I can't take you to this border.
Okay.
Yes.
Why don't you put video here? What's the problem, Elia?
Don't be asking that.
Guys, I'm asking Elia. Why don't you? He puts video on YouTube. Okay.
Yes.
As long as we eat every day.
Yes.
No need. No need. Oh.
Good things are coming.
Yeah?
Every day, good things are coming.
Yes. See when matoke here. Hey, business everywhere. Tukunengo rumchere. Okay. I'm going to buy rice, guys. So there's also been here and buying rice 50 kg.
No.
Okay. Nibu ushon. Aye. The two cow. Nena uangalia. Pero ni aquí. No ragon tore kubigin. Haya. Okay. It's time to pay money, guys. Tebas kilo tano ndio haipo. Nikamchere kadogo tu. Guys, right now I came from Tanzania with my rice and it's 50 kg. I think I'm gonna show you, man. It's 50 kg right here. So it's also expensive. It's 5,750 Kenyan shillings. So right now I'm heading here to have cooking oil and then I tighten them here. So give me more time. We'll see. Danger. Kayondo. Ufuta 20 liter. Chenjangu kuna bakshinga.
Yeah, I'm sick.
Also cooking oil is 5,000. Oh my god. Si umesema 850?
Yeah.
4,000. Hey, life right now it's expensive. I have been just don't get. Life is expensive here. 5,700. This is almost 5,000.
Welcome to the memory shop. It's
Another kazi
the cheapest prices. You just welcome memories. Yeah.
Okay. Let me tell you guys, all this shopping here goes to almost $110. But all in well, let's go home. Right now, guys, I'm heading home. Going straight up to home. So that's a KK. Wow. Let's go home, man. Guys, I can't wait to see my bohort come in good shape by tomorrow. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, there's a KK in front of me. Wow. With my shopping as well. Shalom. Yeah.
What's up?
What's up, bro? What's horrible?
I was coming here for a shopping for a smaller.
Bado huwezi kaa kwa tukutuku ukifanya video.
Same bana. Simu yangu imeisha charge.
Okay.
What's up?
I'm good.
Yeah, hello guys. This is U.S.A official guys. I know there are those who know me. This is not my first time for me to appear on this channel. What's up guys? Welcome back to my brother's channel, Hero Baby Official. And guys, road to success by the way. And also guys, I have a channel there. I'm going by the name U.S.A U.S.A Official. After this amazing vlog, after this amazing channel, go and check me up, subscribe, comment and share. And remember guys, your subscription is highly appreciated.
Okay. Hey, you came from US. Yes. Mura enda pa hero nipi no pa ikore. Eh. Aye.
Tuko pamoja.
Nitakuja nione pa umefikia.
Unajua kuja hata saizi napiga plasta.
Kwa nyumba. Mbona umeharakisha? Ungecheka huko.
Si unajua.
Lakini sasa ndio inashika. Sipaoni kinyigita.
Kichoo pia. Dakika moja. Surusha hizo hapo.
Weka humu bure.
Hai.
Wala pokere mlakiri una hera. Tunakujua.
Bosi.
Boss.
Vipi bosi?
Uko poa man.
Boyore.
Mimi niko
Kwani
poa.
kazi tu?
Kazi tu.
Haya.
So guys, it's time to go back home. Go and take Sholab. I really appreciate. Hey, this shopping is heavy, but I'll manage to go back home. Hello.
Yeah.
So you introduce.
Hello guys. I'm going by the name Stalker. Please just go and search my name in YouTube. Search Stalker_254. Then you share, you comment, and subscribe.
Why do you decide to call your name Stalker?
I shortened it from the word Steven.
Okay, Stalker.
Yeah. So you can search Stalker
254.
254.
Yeah, guys, 254.
That's my YouTube channel.
Okay, 254 is our code number. Like
From Kenya.
From Kenya, 254. I know in America we have +1 in brackets, double bracket, and then in Tanzania we have 255. In Kenya it's 254. Okay. Stalker.
Yeah.
Okay, you're hustling.
I'm hustling.
Yeah. Guys, I'm telling you, in our village here, you can hustle by using motorbike, using maybe vehicle like this. Maybe you're a Uber guy. In the future, we have my own vehicle to do Uber, to transport people from one place to another. I am takutana tu. Takuja huko. Okay, that's the material for that guy, which I was speaking with him on this camera. Shola. Let's go. I'm on the motorbike heading home. No pressure at all. Subscribe to my channel guys. If you haven't subscribed, show me some love and support to my brother guys as you can. Let's go. I need to see somebody succeed in this life, you know. So when one succeeds, man, I'll be very, very happy. As I keep grinding hard, let's even him succeed in this journey of this platform. Hey, let's go. That's the Rory waiting Mazicon right there. He picked up. Guys, I want to see my mom's reaction. When I reach home, I want to see my mama's reaction for sure. It's not an easy thing, you know, a day like this, man. We didn't expect, but it's by God's grace. Oh, you have the donkey, right? That's a donkey right there. I see a big motorbike. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. It's crazy situation. Very good situation, guys. Moving on, going straight. So guys, we shall meet when I reach back home. Or what do you think? We shall meet when I reach home, guys, because right now I don't want to film too much, guys. So stay blessed. When I reach home, I'll show you my mom's reaction. Alright guys, I'm back home with my mom's shopping. So let me put my helmet down and then to see my mom's reaction. Mom! Hey! Uko wapi? Kuja! That's Bruno. Wow. Nishikia hivi. That's my mom, guys. Say once more hello.
Hello.
I'm back. I'm back. Era nanga tingutana gwisa bunitango trigo. That's my hair. Okay, so mom.
Hey, ba.
Today I have a visitor. Nina mgeni wako. I'm tired, mom.
Waro siru waro ya.
For sure, mom, I'm tired. Oh, what do you think, guys? Yaboni, yoni peleke hizi san hii pale ndani. Come and show you a visit. Kuja. Mama, you be blessed and you're so blessed. Turn. Mama was very tricky, guys. Go hard on this. Today I have a visitor right here. Fikiri matani. Kuna nini hapa? Hao ndio wageni wako.
Oh.
How do you feel? Unajisikiaje sasa hivi?
Vizuri.
So maybe this one take you up to May. Not May. Amemona gande. Kemkiri kanonge. Ngende ta. Tore kupipi ngeni ke boda haranga boha. Siente me amo kutocha musko. So guys, you see how my mama. Yeah, ina shida. My work is to top up your food. You eat. So mama was telling me in silence that's the guy who need job. Okay, no problem, mama. Ambiaje mtu mwenye amefanya hii kazi.
Thank you.
Yeah, guys, I'm asking my mama, how do you say about for somebody who made it possible? This is not like a $50 shopping, mama. This is a lot of money here. This is almost $110. Do you know $110 how it looks like?
10,000.
It's 10,000, almost 11,000, because this one is 5,700. This is 4,850.
Hiyo ni 12 na something.
You imagine 5 plus 4, that's 9. It's almost 11,000. And it's not an easy joke, ma'am. For the somebody who made it possible. Mom, yeah, I wanna feel so good when I support my family. And by tomorrow, mama, another video is coming. The same day, I'll buy blocks. No, not blocks, bricks. Guys, sorry. I'm addicted with blocks. I'll buy bricks, cement, steel bar, and also want to finish that boho to cover ifuni. Hey, mama is killing me, guys. At this moment, it's by God's grace. Maybe we stand there, mama. Maybe we take a thumbnail on my video, like that way. All right, guys. So right now, my mama, like, they want to take shopping out. I give you an example, mama. You take. Let me help you, mom. Don't struggle. These things you do like this, man. You don't understand these things, mom. For those people saying help your mama, today let me help her. Carrying everything. Hey. It's 50 kg, 20 liter. Right here, I have 70 kg. Mama, help you? Should I help you? Okay, hold for me a camera. I want to take rice. I want to show people it's 50 kg. I'm gonna put here. Guys, no blagging things. Let me see. It's 50 kg right now, and grade 1. So we consider grade 1 right here, 50 kg. Product of Tanzania. I went to Tanzania, I bought this rice, and also I pay tax. Nimelipa ushuru. So when I'm crossing to the border, you need to pay tax, you know. So else, when you don't want to pay tax, they will take your luggage and store. So better you pay $1 and then you're ready to go. So after this, guys, I'm heading to David Jr. Construction. I want to see the work, how it's go. Just a minute, mama. Hola. Hola. Brain, man. Guys, it's heavy. You think it's a joke? Let's go. Boom. Whoa. Baba, let's fall here. Hey, when my sister, she was smiling. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, you love rice. Just over here. Whew. Guys, I'm so tired. You need to go outside. Wow. I'm heading to David Jr. Construction right now as I speak. I want to see what's going on there. I just pull up home. I surprised my mama, and then man, I'm go. All my videos, it's surprise and construction, and maybe sometime when I'm traveling a little bit. Let's go. We keep going straight. Oh, I want to check the work for today. Crazy. Imagine where I'm passing to. Wow. It's by God's grace, man. When my family gets food to put something on the table, I make some step, I go. And guys, remember, I'm on the process of buying blocks for my mom's dream house. We're gonna keep moving on. Wow, it's raining time. And the time is running like crazy. So let's go and see. Let's go and see. Jadi, let's go and see. Heading straight. Wow. Hey, that's a nice house. We keep running everywhere. Oh, that's a kiosk right there. This is where my brother and sister lands, and this is a nice school right now here. Oh, let's go, uncle. There's some kids calling me uncle. So guys, let's go and see how the mason makes some steps, and then we're gonna back home, and I'll end my day like that. Whoa. Guys, if you're watching this video as rental house, if you're watching this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share my video. That's the best way you can support U.S.A official. Wow, look at this car. Yeah. Oh, narudi ma'am. Okay. This is how Nyabanse looks like. Nothing is possible right here. Hey, I see the mason is running. Oh, let's go and see what's the work for today. Guys, I need to park my bike here. Right here. Let's see. Anyway guys, welcome to the indigenous construction. So right now I'm in Nyabohansi. That's how it looks like. So I'm going this way. Since morning I was not around here, but I went for the shopping for my mama. 1, 2, 3. Oh man. Wow, this is a huge mega project. It's by God's grace, man. It's by God's grace. Oh, I see some steel bar down here. Oh. Maybe today, the work for today maybe steel bar. Let's go. This staircase. Let's see. I was climbing here. Wow. Ya kizima muziki ndio nitakuja hapa. Wow. Oh my god. Today is Stelba. Babu. Yes. Mambo yanasonga. Mambo yanasonga. Babu means grandpa. Babu is a Swahili word.
Iko ni ya chini.
Whoa.
Alafu hiyo yenye imeenda.
Guys, this early updation. What's going on here? They work for the steel bar. 1, 2, 3, 6. Tata Mwita. Nakuona. Yeah, well done job. Guys, you see by yourself. Woo. So when I'm on top here, this first floor, You've seen Nyabuhansa how it looks like, and we have another mega project on the other side for the markets. So right now down here we have local markets. So soon, maybe 2026, even this year, we're gonna start enjoying using that tall building there. Oh my God, it's by God's grace, guys. Thank you so much by supporting David Jr., watching videos every day, and he tried to chase the dream outside here. Look, dreams are valid, man. That's how Nyabuhansa looks like. Ooh. On camera. Era mono morapo. Hasire.
Hasire. Yoma bindi bitara.
Tivi da chivyo.
Kami byambere kuna bitatu kuri subira tore ko.
Pi. Mbere mbi.
Bindi mbira.
D20.
Bene lakini kakere mimi bya bono.
You know? Iyo kwa mene be bongo.
Kana tu bimanyi.
Haro wiki kuncha.
Tabe na tena. Itakuwa refu.
Oh, mbirengi wiki. Wana yanki mutara kwa tamura ichoga ni bi.
Baba bara etrike ha kamu.
Manchester.
Kamu TV ambe driver wa after kira hanse.
Wasa mute biri mzee.
Hata na baba gena bitambo.
Akabeha.
Na hata behere. Mzee wa kireke.
Obo hene no. Hata wisiru kumbe.
Kama vile kama hata.
So guys, the work is going on right now here. Wow. Use manpower. No machine. That's pokoro.
Yes, this is kibogoro.
Pokoro.
For tightening.
This is a beam. This is a pillar.
Beam.
A beam. Yes. So this is a pillar. Okay. Right now, the work of Silva have already started. There's a magic down here. Hey. I wanna keep showing you around. For sure, here we need grader. We need grader.
Not grader really, but I'm cutting the binding wire. It will be used for the ring.
Yes, you know grader to make work easy. Or grinder. It's only to cut like room.
Meanwhile, it is an axle.
But that's the way of making exercise.
For the muscle.
For the muscle.
At night they eat.
No.
They eat a lot.
As long as when you finish here, go and take shower and then you eat good. You sleep earlier.
For that instances, it never happens. Yeah, really.
Anche mi tocca la ronera. Kera hano gichiru butuko kuringa. Okay guys, and also this is the trapper. The work is going on right now here. Say hello.
Hello, Black Mamba. Here working right now at the Junior Construction site. As you can see, we are trying to arrange the joists. So by tomorrow we are going to arrange the trappers.
You clear everything.
Yeah.
Down there we have 10 Charles. Nakuja hapo.
Yes.
These are
Big shout out
to
Black Mamba.
Black Mamba.
Hello, baby.
Yes.
How is the Americans doing?
We keep putting cast on prayers right now.
Actually, we are putting a lot of prayers.
Yes, and then maybe if somebody watching this video, they can contribute. Go and find me.
Actually,
send something there.
Actually,
Ready to go.
a lot of contribution is needed. Like me, I'm also just praying hard that God can help her.
Me when she just pull up in the village from India, I'll slaughter for her goat, free of charge. Me, I'm telling you.
Really?
Really? And then we celebrate because we're vibing together since this house starting on the ground.
I saw her last time when I was preparing the foundation of this house.
Yes.
But God will do his best.
Yes. Mbona hapa pamenuka?
Hapo tunakuja sinema ndio tunaenda.
Oh. Guys, let me go down. Down here we have the local ladder. So I must be very careful. Very careful. Very. This is a staircase. But that one's a local ladder. This is another stairs going like cool. Anyway, let's see this post right now here. I'm telling you guys, construction is not easy, and when you start construction, you can't finish. You finish this one happen. You finish this one happen. Oh my God. Kwanang.
Yes, hello baby, how are you?
I'm good.
This is King Charles Kirioba, 254. We are just here, just lifting this level up there, so as to make it ready for trapper.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Want to put the trappers here.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, that's my channel, King Charles Kirioba, 254.
Okay.
Thank you.
And you type C.
Type C, 1, 2, here. I'm on job.
Working.
Working.
Okay, you continue working, guys, for sure. Yes, you're welcome, for sure, guys. On my channel, I host so many people. A day like this on my platform, I host so many people. I can't complain. I want to see each and everyone succeed, you know. The way I keep succeed step by step. Let each other succeed. Look how the house is coming in good shape, man. Look, this is a huge mega project. I want to show you from the back, and then going that way, you can able to see how the house come in good shape. Whew. Man, I can't complain at all. Right now here, fresh, mambo shwari. Look guys, how the house is coming in good shape. When the time reach, they want to put concrete, I'll be here pulling the wheelbarrow. So guys, look how this huge mega project come in good shape. Look guys, I'm taking you around. Look guys, thank you so much for supporting Dave Jr. Thank you so much, I really appreciate. And he just built this structure for the young generation, and also me, I want to benefit here. Maybe in the future I want to have maybe a shop here, hardware, maybe to be a sales person. You never know. Look. Anyway guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. So right now it's time to end my video here. So we shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, and that's how your branch looks like. In case you're new here guys, subscribe. So bye guys.